Welcome to Vice Grip Garage. Today is day 4 of Hot Rod Power Tour, and we're headed from Indianapolis, Indiana, all the way to St. Louis, Missouri. It's about 250 miles. We got a lot of driving today, so let's hit the road. You guys know the drill by now. Security system, kids, luggage, air in the chocolators, gas, coffee, and then roads, you know. Must have rained last night or something.
It's very wet here.
I wonder if we got any water in the vehicle. Not sure, don't really want to look. I could probably wipe this down a little bit, get some of the road grime and rubber off that we dispensed yesterday. Today we're meeting up with Aaron and Emily from Flying Sparks Garage, Rich and Aaron from DeBoss, and I think that's it, right?
Is Alex not coming with us today?
Oh, and Alex Taylor, that's right. So it's going to be a smaller group because we're hoping to just, you know, we need to get there. The event starts, or at least my event starts at 2, and if we just get on the road and stay on the road, we're going to be pulling in about 1 o'clock if we don't stop. So it's going to be pretty tight. I went to air up this morning, which is kind of our daily process, and we blew the line out somehow. This was just laying on the ground without an O-ring on there, so I got 1 O-ring left in this kit, so patch this up again, see if we can get some air in this rear end, because he's just sagging, looks like a baby's diaper. And then I think we're the closest to the meetup this morning. There's some constructions going on. So we're gonna daddle a little bit, get some coffee, fill up, and then I think we're finally able to hit the road. We're actually not going to take the official route today because there's the official route, there's a 2-lane highway everyone's gonna wanna take because the route is congested. So I think we're gonna try to be sneaky and just get on the interstate, which a lot of cars aren't gonna run because they just can't because they're geared down or older or whatever else. Because it's important to us just to get there on time today, so we're gonna miss a little bit of the route, which is kind of unfortunate, but you got to do what you got to do. There. That's a lot better, huh?
Temp numero trace.
Met at a Starbucks while I'm waiting for 97 coffees to be made. Guy miles to check on the oil. I remember that we did use a little bit, so I guess we'll go ahead and check on it. I should have pulled the stick this morning. Then you don't have to sit there and wipe it off. When they sit overnight like that, you just boop, whatever the line is, that's what it is. But that's okay. Take the gander out of here. Oh, go right through the rag. Oh, we're good. Right on full. I'm not sure why it used a little bit of oil there that one day, because it had it the other days, so I guess it's fine. Pulled in for some fuel. What, the back neck? This place is hopping. Must be the first stop on the route. There's just non-stop cars coming through every direction. Having lots of fun. So far our group's staying together pretty good. We're coming up on what is believed to be the world's largest rocking chair. And I'm here to tell you, that thing is big. That's got to be, what is that, like 5 stories tall?
I don't know, it's pretty big.
Whoa. Ken says it is officially the world's largest rocking chair. You've been here before, obviously, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What'd you make?
Campfire.
Does look like a campfire. Keep you warm, you think?
Yeah. Largest wind chime.
Largest wind chimes? Where?
Right there.
We got largest wind chimes, largest mailbox, largest pencil, largest rocket chair, largest antlers, and the largest car, Betty White. Also, this cooler is really inconvenient, but I do love cold snacks. We're heading out again. Supposedly we're more than halfway. Today I'm not even opening my maps, which is kind of nice. I'm just, go ahead, Herb. Yep. Just kind of following the rest of these folks. Belt's still squealing, still gonna ignore it. It'll eventually break and then we'll figure out which one was squealing. Nice little town. I have no idea what it's called. Apparently the state has like 11-9 gajillion wood-covered bridges, which is really cool. My theory is it's either built to not spook the horses coming across, because you know, the buggies and stuff, or maybe it's to cover the decking of the actual bridge to make sure the bridge lasts. I don't know. Why do they cover bridges? Bleep it down there. Let me know. But we just found a really cool wood one. We actually went through it this way, turned around and came back through this way. I don't think I've ever been through a wood bridge. I've been through a tree, I've been through mountains and hills, you name it, but not a wood-covered bridge. That was pretty cool. And I think the world's longest, no it's not. It's the state's longest bridge. It's somewhere around here. It's like 200 feet, 201 feet. I think that one might be closed though. So
Longest covered one, right?
Yeah, largest covered, yeah. So that might be the largest one we can get to today, but that was really cool.
Yeah, stumbling and running lean, like you can see it starting to go yellow. It was first when it was taking off, now I won't be able to hit the highway. Okay. Unless I take a wrong.
Hopefully just a fuel filter.
I hope so.
So we got this one up here and then we got that big Earl's one in the back.
Somebody have a rag?
Yeah, I'll get you one. Well, the Bronco's just starving for fuel a little bit. He's got half a tank, so we're hoping it's just a clogged filter.
Derek, do you have the number of the shop that we have this installed at? I gotta ask some warranty work.
I don't, actually.
Let's see how brown and gross this is. Is it instantly gonna catch fire? Somebody have
Or you'll have
empty
nothing.
water bottle?
We could try to find one. Could it be vapor locking, maybe?
Maybe, but like it was it wasn't too hot, so I thought it was okay.
Well, we think we found the problem here. Not supposed to have Play-Doh in your
No.
fuel filter.
I thought, you know what, we went through 2 tanks, we'll be fine. We'll be fine, no problem. I got a screwdriver and just kind of scrape.
We might have some carb cleaner or something.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And we have
I think
hey,
I
you got your
some.
little Milwaukee compressor?
Sure. Yeah.
Just gonna do power tour, guys. Have to work on this.
Well, it's a nice, easy fix.
Well, it did its job anyway, right?
Yeah, that's right.
It's really pretty impressive it lasted that long.
Yeah. Well, we're like halfway, so it shouldn't happen again until we're home.
Oh yeah, you're good.
Pretty much the perfect demonstration of the importance of a pre-fuel pump filter, and then also while you run a pose.
Yep. Okay.
What's the color?
Apple juice.
Apple juice?
Yes. Put it in a fresh
Yeah,
box.
that's all the crap from the back though.
Oh, okay.
We'll lay down, lay down. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
She'll run all night.
Simple fix. Just took some carb cleaner and sprayed her out. Threw her back in. We're back on the highway. I think we're 2/3 of the way there now, I guess.
Yeah, we're getting pretty close.
It's been a really fun, chaotic day. We've missed our turn like 16 times. We've had to backtrack once. We've had this little mini breakdown, but that's what makes this fun, especially in a group. But we'll keep on cruising. Should be there shortly. Just pulled in. This place is very busy. I think the most busy stop we've been to yet. They've even got live music and stuff going. They just pointed us to where we're gonna set up over here. And just kind of easing through here right now. For once we're on time. Allegedly, we just ran 80, 85 for pretty much 120 miles, so.
Yeah.
We're fixing on putting the tent up. Oh, there it is right there, actually.
Edward, nice to meet you. DJ, very nice to meet
We
you.
got the Boss Garage,
Yeah.
Alex,
Yeah.
Spider, the Cadillac, kind of caddy corner in here. Very nice facility. I've never been here. Worldwide Technology Raceway. And I hear some drag racing over here, which I did not know was going on today, so maybe we try to beat 16.8. I don't know. Figure it out. Bradley's cleaning up the wheels.
I love you, Dad.
see? You can't be rough with Betty. That's gonna do it for day 4, I believe it is, in St. Louis, Missouri. Big venue. There was a ton of people here. Met a lot of you guys. It was so much fun. Got the wrench on a CUDA. That was really cool.
Yeah.
Good luck to that feller. We're going to eat with a bunch of friends right now. Mexican. Gotta get some tacos. And get ready for tomorrow. We're going to be driving all the way to Champaign, Illinois. And that's going to wrap up Hot Rod Power Tour. Hope to see you there if possible. Thanks guys for watching. Appreciate it very much. We'll see you next time.